In this video, I will show you how to download and install Cheat Engine on your PC or laptop. So first open up your N browser and then click on search box and just type Cheat Engine and hit enter. You will see the first website of cheatengine.org. So just open it up. Now click on the download Cheat Engine. You will see on the top. After it is downloaded, just open it up. Click on the yes option. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on skip all. Then wait for this downloading to complete. Now click on the finish option. And that's how you can download and install Cheat Engine on your PC. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.